Hi, I'm Sharif, a structural engineer and developer who applied and proved that modern portfolio theory works inside building design, cutting a layout's financial risk while raising its return. Diversification isn't just for stock portfolios anymore. The tale of two worlds, the AEC BIM and the financial. Our starting point, a BIM manager working on a project layout inside standard design software. At this stage, they are relying purely on spatial rules and design instinct to arrange the building zones. Because they are trapped in their own workflow bubble, they have zero visibility into how these geometric choices affect the overall financial risk of the development. On the other side of the disconnect, we have the financial manager trying to calculate project revenues and risks. He is stuck looking at static spreadsheets and corporate market data, completely cut off from the live building model. Because he cannot see the changing architectural layouts in real time, his calculations are delayed and disconnected from the physical design reality. Historically, architects and financial analysts have worked in completely separate bubbles, isolated from one another. Designers create layouts without real-time risk data, and analysts run spreadsheets completely disconnected from the live building model. Our application pops these isolated bubbles by bridging the two worlds, allowing real-time, data-driven collaboration right inside the workspace.
One formula just cut a building's financial risk by half. It treats building zones exactly like assets in a stock portfolio.
MPT BIM Framework. Autonomous Quant Copilot integrates Gemini 3.7 Flash as an active reasoning agent, moving beyond simple static UI automations. The front end is a visual command center that connects quantitative finance math with 3D architectural modeling. We can change the area of the project, change the benchmarks, push the layout to Revit, Gemini receives the exact square meter, yields and cross-asset correlation rules of your live design layout. System integration workflow. Clicking this button spins up a background lightweight HTTP listener on the local machine, turning Revit into an active webhook listener ready to intercept structural layout instructions. The system shifts from an offline standby state to an active link state. Now we will start our Revit add-in.